Oh, it sounds horrible. These scissors are horrific. Okay, this is the most impromptu video I think I've ever made. It's currently 11:33 at night, probably the worst time to cut my hair. Hello, by the way, if you've been stuck in lockdown too long, your hair is really long and you want to cut it yourself, you cannot wait until the hairdressers reopen. You have to cut it yourself because same, and if this goes wrong, there's nowhere for me to go. We were just about to watch The Walking Dead. A few months ago I bleached my hair. I will put the video down below if you want to see how I did that, and this is what my hair turned out like. I love the length. My sister actually cut my hair, but she's not here right now, and as you can see, like, my hair is getting longer. It's poking out of my little claw clip. I'm obsessed with these claw clips at the moment, but it ain't cute. So let me take it out, show you how long it is, get into it. So this is how long my hair is. It's a good, like, in-between length, but it is an in-between length and it drives me crazy. So I either want it really long or shorter. I think I'm gonna go here, maybe. I have kitchen scissors. If Brad Mondo or anyone, any hairdressers are watching, just ignore this. Just pretend that didn't even ever happen. I have my mini little Lab 2 scissors and some hairbands. So I'm going to leave out these two front pieces because they're already quite shaped around my face anyway. And then I'm going to take pieces, little sections from all around my hair, as you will see, bear with, and tie a band where I want to cut, and then just cut the band. Put a band there, then all I have to do is just make sure every single band is at exactly the same length. So bring my hair around from the back, make sure it's at the same length. There we go. There, so it'll be a good 2-3 inches. And then look at how wispy that is as well. It's like, it kind of needs to come off, dead ends and all. My hands are actually shaking, like genuine, like, ugh. I'm actually shaking so bad I can't tie the band. Okay, so basically, as you can see, what I've done is all the way around put all of the bands at the same height, so each band has exactly the same amount of hair coming out of it. So theoretically, hopefully, that I'm praying, if I cut at that point, I will have cut off exactly the same amount of hair. Okay. Oh, it sounds horrible. It's going. Oh, that's actually quite short. Okay. Number 2, I mean, my boyfriend is downstairs, so if I need him to straighten it for me, then I will of course get him to help me. But I will show you guys straight after when I take these bobbles out, so we can see together how well this has worked. These scissors are horrific. Smiling through the pain. The last bit. Stubborn, it doesn't want to come off. Okay, so the big reveal. Ooh, I'm so nervous. Okay, I'm gonna look at you guys whilst I do it, and then I'll look in the mirror. You know what? Actually, I can't tell in the camera. Hold on, we're going to have to look. Oh wait, they look like a step down. Hold on. Okay. Oh dear. Right, okay, so this side looks fine. That side, no. I'm really nervous. What does it look like from behind? You guys tell me, because I haven't seen yet. Is it bad? I feel like there's definitely a step down here, like literally. What is going on here? Okay. There we go. I'm gonna go and get my boyfriend to help me fix this, and then I'll be back with you. It's like you're making an entrance. I am.
Brutus the Barber Beefcake, if anyone gets that reference.
No one.
So that's alright to cut off that much.
However much. Oh, hold on. That looks like a lot.
Yeah, it is a lot.
Hold on. Oh yeah, it goes down quite a lot though, doesn't it? Yeah, just go for it.
Oh jeez. Like that.
I can't see, but sure.
It's a lot of hair. Are you sure you want to take that much off?
Okay, so me and the boyfriend have both mutually agreed that I'll get my sister to do it tomorrow morning because it's just like...
I'm not the kind of person you want to take hair advice from.
So I'm going to call it a night for tonight, get my sister to do it tomorrow, catch up with you then, and hopefully I'll have lovely straight hair because today was a massive fail. I'm going to have to get her to do it so early in the morning, so... Oh my god! No, you didn't. Holly, please.
Okay, right. Head. Head. Right. Sniffy snip. Ooh!
Oh.
Another one. Back the dust.
Been a lovely sunny day today.
It's been horrible but prickly heat.
The Jonas Brothers will make it okay.
Nick won't. Thinking about the watermelon sugar TikTok. Harry, what do you want for breakfast? Strawberries.
Stop making me laugh. It sounds like you're cutting loads, and you're just cutting like tiny bits.
Yeah.
Okay. And it's all turned out fine in the end, thanks to my boyfriend and sister. No thanks to my own scissor cutting skills, but watching this footage back, I can actually see that I didn't put the hairbands at the same height at all. They're a bit all over the place. When I thought they were at the same length, they weren't, so that's why it's turned out so jaggedy. So I think next time if I try this, I'll make sure they're dead on. But for now, I've got lovely short blunt hair. It feels so voluminous and healthy, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram. I'll leave it linked down below, or it's Naomi Victoria's. And subscribe down below, hit the notification bell, and I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.